Hello friends, this video is created by Siddharth Upadhyay, founder and creator of PrepWings. Log on to www.prepwings.com for complete free course videos. Now in this video we'll talk about 3-item Venn diagram. We'll look at a question here. The question says that in a class there are 100 students. 20 students do not take any of Spanish, French or Italian. 35 students study Spanish. 19 students study exactly 2 languages out of Spanish, French and Italian. 6 students study all the 3 languages, Spanish, French and Italian. 16 students study French and Italian both. 20 students study only Italian. Find the number of students studying only French. Okay, this is a lot of data presented in this question to us. So first what we'll do is we will write down the entire data. So for languages Spanish, French and Italian, we have number of students in the class 100 first of all. Number of students not studying any of the languages 20. Number of students studying Spanish is 35. Number of students studying exactly 2 languages is 19. And number of students studying all the 3 languages is 6. Okay. Also number of students studying French and Italian both is 16. And number of students studying only Italian is 20. Okay, so we have jotted down the data now. Now we'll create a Venn diagram for this. So now if you look at it, we have 3 circles because we have 3 languages. Okay, so over here N represents the number of students not taking any languages. S represents number of students taking only Spanish. F represents number of students taking only French. I represents number of students taking only Italian. Okay. X represents number of students taking only Spanish and French. Y represents number of students taking only French and Italian. Z represents number of students taking only Spanish and Italian. And W represents number of students taking all the 3 languages. Okay. Okay. So now we have this data in front of us from the question that we looked at earlier. Okay, we also have all the variables in front of us in the Venn diagram. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll create equations from them. So now we know that there are 100 students in the class. So N plus S plus F plus I plus X plus Y plus Z plus W is 100. Okay, also we know 20 students were not taking any subjects, any of these 3 languages. So N is 20. Okay, so putting N equal to 20 in the equation above, we get S plus F plus I plus X plus Y plus Z plus W equal to 80. Okay, also we know number of students studying Spanish is 35. Okay, so if you look at it, S is only Spanish, X is Spanish and French, W is Spanish, French and Italian, and Z is Spanish and Italian. So if we add S plus X plus S, Z plus W, I will get the number of students studying Spanish, that is 35. Okay, so now what I'll do is in the above equation we'll put S plus X plus Z plus W to be 35. So what we get is F plus I plus Y plus 35 is equal to 80. Okay, this further goes down to F plus I plus Y is equal to 45. Okay, now we have been given that 19 students study exactly 2 subjects or exactly 2 languages. So X plus Y plus Z is 19. Okay, so we have written that this is of not much use to us right now. Okay, we'll write it and keep it. If needed, we'll use it then we were given that 6 students study all the 3 subjects. Okay, so that means W is equal to 6 because the W is representing all the 3 languages, right? Also we were given that students studying French and Italian both were 16. Okay, so if I do French and Italian both, that will be W plus Y. So W plus Y is 16. We know W is 6, so Y has to be 10. Okay, so now we know Y. We've also been given that students studying only Italian are 20. So I is equal to 20. Okay, now we know that F plus I plus Y is 45. So we'll put I is equal to 20 and Y is equal to 10 here. Okay. So we'll get F plus 20 plus 10 is 45. So F will be 45 minus 30, which is 15. Okay. And F is the number of students studying only French. Okay. That was the question. So the number of students studying only French is 15. Okay. So this is how we solve a 3-item Venn diagram. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching this video.